What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel we can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work, plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if the tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. It's still hard to believe many companies didn't make this move sooner rather than later on this whole remote working lifestyle. I mean, come on, we're going into the third year with the same thing going on. Companies are still struggling to keep their employees safe, engaged, and productive. Of course, the companies aren't the main blame in all of this, it's also the employees as well. Let me break down my thoughts on this. Companies, businesses are still hung up on the command control approach when it comes to their workers. Also put a little dash of micromanaging in there and boom, you got the recipe for making your coworkers miserable. This especially holds true to the autonomous workers, the ones that come in, know their directions, and go at it every day with little guidance or authority. So when the companies had to surrender to a remote working lifestyle, it was so hard for the managers, supervisors, and so forth to figure out not how to set them up, which is mostly IT coming in and doing their thing, but how management can maintain the command and control approach when they are not physically in front of them. Upper management can't physically look over their shoulders and nitpick at them, so now the command doesn't know how to measure if they're being productive or not. That would leave management speechless when their superiors ask them, how's everything down there? My other thoughts is this is when it comes to some of the employees, which I had mentioned prior. Autonomous workers don't have no problem working remotely. Just get them set up and send them on their way. It's the other employees that actually need the command and control approach applied to them. Yes, I said it, some people actually need to be told what to do in order for them to do their job. It doesn't make them bad workers. Well, maybe some of them, but it's how they operate. For them to go off and work remotely will have them terrified. They're used to running to management or supervisors that were right down the hall or in the next room if they needed them for any assistance. Now they're miles away and you have to send them emails or give them a call and hope they pick up, and all the while you need an answer right away. This is where productivity starts to break down. So that's why I'm here to help you on both sides of the fences. For management, you will need to start relearning management roles in a remote hybrid working area. Loosen up on the command control approach and really revamp the work-life balance to make things really start working for you and your team. You're about to recreate. In that description below, I'll have a link that will bring you to this great read, which you could get on Kindle, audiobook, or paperback. It's The Long Distance Leader. It will help leaders, management on how to guide their teams by recalling the foundational principles of leadership, whether their teams are scattered globally or just working from home for a few days. Another great read is Leading from Anywhere, which will help you realign your vision with your team as they work abroad and show you new ways on how to still be accessible to them through Zoom calls or future scheduled meetings or even twice-a-week meetups and much more. Through these books, you will learn how to track productivity and see what needs improvement as if they were still in the office with everyone. You will soon understand that remote teams allow us to work even better. The research shows that employees are more productive and engaged when they have the freedom to work from anywhere. Along with this, you will help them teams create a work-life balance that will surely see results on the back end when it comes to increased productivity, morale, and engagement. As I got your management squared away, I'm going to work on you guys now when it comes to remote working environment. As I had mentioned, IT will get you all set up with technology side of things, but for my coworkers that need to be command control style approach, come on guys, it's time to grow up and evolve. The 1950-60 era of this style of work caps off when it comes to you having a say in the work you're doing. I'm pretty sure you have a great idea and would like to share with the team or management, but scared to be shut down due to the command and control approach. The book will also be in the description below to help you out when it comes to remote work, which is your work from home life. Whether you're a remote work employee, freelancer, or someone who dreams of giving up the daily grind for a career of your own design, your work from home life is the next step to becoming the ultimate work nomad. The book will also help you develop time and distraction management to meet pressing deadlines and achieve focus. Discover the important roles of self-care and personalize your very own self-care strategies. I will also have another audio below as well. Have no fear, remote work is here. For those who really need to go in a little deeper on being autonomous workers when it comes to remote work, this book will show you the following. Learn how to be productive while working from home. Master the art of managing meetings and communicating across teams and projects. Implement the tips, tricks, and strategies for maximum productivity no matter where you happen to be working from. With all of this, how can you and the management team lose? By taking all of this in, will make your new work environment and your management team as one. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back. You can catch me on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well floating around right here. Hope to catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. This is Markie Williams, and I'm out.